Welcome back to Auto Car Zone. Today we're bringing you a full in-depth review of the all-new 2005 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, redesigned, reimagined, and ready to impress. From its bold new look to the upgraded features and pricing, we've got everything covered. Let's get started. The 2025 Land Cruiser Prado gets a complete design overhaul. At the front, it now features a retro-inspired grille with round LED headlights, a throwback to classic Land Cruisers. The body is more muscular, the stance is wider, and the overall presence is more rugged yet modern. Toyota has clearly aimed to blend off-road toughness with urban sophistication. Inside, Toyota has upgraded the cabin with a more premium feel. You'll find a large 12.3-inch infotainment system with the latest software, a digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and high-quality materials all around. Comfort is top-tier with ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and improved cabin insulation for a quieter ride. In terms of tech, the Prado comes loaded. You get Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera. There's also a new multi-terrain monitor and off-road drive modes to enhance your adventure experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Prado offers a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid engine producing around 326 horsepower and 630 Nm of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and full-time for WD, making it not just efficient but also extremely capable off-road. The new Land Cruiser Prado is expected to start around $55,000, with top trims reaching close to $75,000. It will be available in multiple trims, each packed with varying levels of features